Okay, this is kokorec, the famous food, okay, from Turkey. It's char-boiled intestines, okay? It has inside, you will put salt, thyme, garlic, little bit paprika, and cumin in it, okay? And this is how it's served. And we have even customers, cat customers too. Let me eat. He says the origin of Aegean area.
Sen bunu daha detaylı konuşursun.
Okay.
Yani yok. Yağı sarmışlar. Şöyle şunu göstereyim. Mesela şu yağı üzerine sarmışlar. Adamlar yemiş bu şekilde.
He's saying that this is the poor people's food because the people didn't have the meat, so they wrapped this up and then char-boiled it, and they kind of invented this food. Small shop here like this. Small shop. It says Kokorec'cim.